Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by to watch the video. Today I'm going to do a video a little different. Like I said, I'm gonna do variety videos, and this is a video on a movie that was released during the pandemic and worldwide, and it did pretty well. And it was actually probably one of the movies I wanted to see, and I never got a chance to see it since, again, in the East Coast. I'm up in the Northeast in New York, and it wasn't something you got a chance to watch, and finally it was released on December 15th. Best Buy had an exclusive Steelbook edition of the movie Tenet, which is a movie that stars John David Washington, who is the son of Denzel Washington, Robert Pattinson, and I believe it's Kenneth Branagh, who's an excellent actor and also director. Just wanted to do a quick video just to show pretty much the Steelbook, open it up, and for whoever didn't get it, again, you probably can order through bestbuy.com or go to the store. I know though these went pretty quickly. I was actually lucky enough to be able to buy a copy of this. So I'm just gonna show you the front cover. On the front cover, you have a scene that's a pretty popular scene in the movie where I don't want to spoil it, but it kind of gives it away right there. You have the character who is the protagonist and basically the other guy, let's say. I don't want to give away too much about the movie. I highly recommend it. It's one of those movies that you will see probably more than once. And on the back side, which is another key part of the movie over here, and it shows, of course, the cast, the writers, the directors, and producers of the movie. Again, this movie is directed by Christopher Nolan, who is known for Inception fame, also the trilogy of the Batman movies with Christian Bale, a couple of other movies too along the way, I believe Memento and some other ones. I'm gonna just open it up, do a quick video. Hope you guys please again like, subscribe to the content. My videos are POV right now until I finally clean up what I have behind me, and hopefully I can do videos where I'll be able to interact more. Of course, please subscribe and comment, like the videos. Any questions, feel free to ask questions. I'm here, and keep the channel growing. So over here, well, this slip I already used, so it's kind of pointless, but basically in this slip you have the digital code that you can redeem. And when you read, and over here, this is the 4K disc over here, so you could see it. This is the actual Blu-ray movie over here, and in the back there's again 3 discs here, and then the back this section is the special features. Again, Blu-ray. Steelbook again comes with the special features. Then you have the Blu-ray disc, and then you obviously have the 4K Ultra HD HDR. I believe when I started watching the movie, well, nothing beats having the Blu-ray. He filmed it in IMAX, and here is the side. It is a Warner Brothers movie. A lot of scenes filmed in with IMAX cameras, and for any of those again who have a curiosity about this movie, again, opinions are opinions. I would say definitely watch it. Keep your mind open, and definitely pay attention. I'll be one of those to say that when Christopher Nolan makes a movie, I'm not sure if it's his goal, but if it is, then amazing. You will probably watch this movie more than once, and there's nothing wrong with it. Again, any questions, comments, again, definitely subscribe. I appreciate it. And again, for everybody who subscribed, Uh, I know there's notification buttons when I release videos, and I have a couple more on the way. And again, this is just a different video for a movie that I saw that I highly recommend. And I have a couple of steelbooks. Most of them are in storage, but again, this was one I just purchased, and I was very happy I purchased it. These days in the pandemic, being indoors, it's one of those tough times. And again, watching a movie, escape from reality, is a good thing to do. And again, if you want to escape from, stress or whatever it is, and if you're able to watch it, definitely watch it. Like I said, pay attention. Watch it with family, friends, watch it alone, whichever way you enjoy it the most. Again, maybe you might want to turn off your cell phones and not looking, because again, it is one of these movies that you definitely will want to see more than once, and there's nothing wrong with it. That means that you enjoyed the movie or you're looking for answers. There's not much I will say about the movie. This is the Steelbook edition. Again, you can buy it. You can buy it at Best Buy on bestbuy.com. Go to the store. I don't know the stores have many of these, or of course, if you want to get them in, I'm sure you can get them also on eBay and other sites. And again, I'll leave it there. Maybe make it straight. And again, thanks for stopping by. And again, for everybody, this is dedicated for the subscribers, the viewers, anybody who views it. Definitely please click subscribe. It's very easy. It doesn't hurt anybody. And at the same time, you're supporting the content that I'm putting out. Not asking for much, just to definitely watch. And I hope that you guys enjoy the videos. Thanks a lot. I'll hope to see you guys soon. And again, I have more videos, again, mixed variety content only on this one channel. And again, thank you for watching, and hope to make some more videos for you guys soon. Take care.